All right, so I've placed some data here into a list and given it the variable name of data. And then I've done some stuff here to adjust it to get it to look the way I want it to look inside of the data frame. And then down here, I've placed it into a pandas data frame. So now if we run this, we'll see that I have the data frame right down here. It's got 4 columns, 0, 1, 2, and 3. And then it's got 5 rows going from 0 to 4. And we have all 20 of our data points right in here in the data frame. So what I want to do is I want to add up every single unique data point inside of that data frame and then total how many times it occurs in that data frame. So if we had, let's say we had 5 numbers and it was 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2. Right? How many times does 2 occur? Well, it occurred twice. And then how many times does 3 occur? It occurs once. Okay, so that's the idea. And so we come here to this article here, and it says, how do I count the occurrences of a list item? And this guy right down here has the answer 2,313 upvotes. It says use counter. And so I'm going to walk through a real simple way to implement that into the code. First, we'll come up here to our import section, and then we'll type from collections import counter with a capital C. Next, we'll come down to the bottom here, and I'm going to count up the totals here in the data variable instead of doing it directly in the data frame. So real simple, I'm just going to type print first, and then we're going to type counter with a capital C, and then we're going to count the data. Data being the variable name for our data points there. So then we're going to run this again. Okay, and we can see that it's added this counter here at the bottom, right below our data frame. And it says the number 1 occurred 3 times, and then all of these other ones occurred once.